Welcome back to Squawk on the Street. Gone to the grocery store and struggled to buy eggs lately? I have. Well, you're not alone. Bird flu continuing to wreak havoc in the space, leading to the culling of more than 41 million chickens and sending prices flying up 53% since last year, according to January's CPI report. Joining us now to help distill all of this, Pete and Gerry's CEO, Tom Flocco. Pete and Gerry's is an organic and pasture-raised egg producer. Thank you for being here. Can you help explain to us, for those of us who are not egg experts, we're maybe egg consumers, but not in terms of the production, what are some of the key factors that influence the price of eggs right now?
Well, good morning. Thank you for having me. I would tell you right now, the run-up that we're seeing in prices of eggs is unprecedented. It is purely a supply and demand play. If you think, you mentioned 41 million birds being culled, actually 20 million, about half of those in the past month. Now that's affecting the caged and cage-free providers, which are the more conventional eggs that you see in the well of your grocery store, typically the less expensive eggs at $2 or $3 a dozen. As that supply has come out, prices have skyrocketed for those eggs. Our eggs, Pete and Gerry's and Nellie's, are free range and pasture raised. So our birds get outside. Cage-free birds do not. And our eggs are actually the same price today to the retailer as they were a year ago. You're really seeing that inflation being driven by a big piece of the mix, which is cage and cage-free, and that's that supply equation. The challenge has been, as those birds have been culled, which is necessary to keep AI from spreading, the hatcheries haven't been able to keep up. So they haven't been able to repopulate those barns as quickly as historically they have. The virus has just proven very resilient. It's the same H5N1 that was affecting us for over 10, has been affecting us for over 10 years, but it has continued to mutate and become harder and harder to really snuff out.
Yeah, clearly it's back with a vengeance here. I mentioned just, the shortages that people are seeing in grocery stores. I'm curious if there's anything you can do to fill that void, or do you have essentially a supply, a finite supply of chickens that can provide the eggs, and therefore that's why you're kind of keeping prices the same, and it's just a matter of, how quickly the rest of the producers can get back into normal production levels?
Yeah, I think we're all doing the same thing. All the producers in the space are doing the same thing. We're trying to get new barns up and running as quickly as we can because that demand is so great, especially for the more premium eggs. It takes time. I mean, you can't make an egg any other way than putting on hens and feeding them and taking care of them and having them lay eggs. So that usually takes about a year to put a new barn on from start to finish. By the time you put an order in for the chicks, and then the barn is built and that new barn is populated, it can be a year. So it's not that quick. It's not just like other consumer products where you can just put on another shift or build another line. Processing is not our bottleneck. It's purely supply. And that's the challenge that we're all up against right now. We're doing everything we can, but when that many birds get taken out, again, on the cage and cage-free side, it's very difficult to keep up. And the biggest challenge we have right now is usually the virus would go away in the summer and winter months because that's not the migration period when it tends to spread. Right now, we're in the period where it should be quiet and we're still losing birds, which is making it very difficult to build up inventory and get back in balance.
Tom, is there much seasonality in demand? Is there a period coming up where we might get some relief on the demand side?
Yeah, that's a great point. It does tend to start to slow down in the, call it post-Easter months into the summer. Basically, demand is driven by either people eating the eggs for meals, which that doesn't tend to have a seasonality to it, but also baking. Baking is a huge component of demand. So it will start to ramp down demand in the kind of May, June, July, August periods. And then we'll start to pick up again as kids go back to school, people are back into their fall and winter rituals of baking, more of that. That will drive demand back up. So the hope is that we can start to build some inventory back up in that period of time, and we'll start to see prices moderate and come back down on those cage and cage free, which is really driving all of this that's going on.
Tom, you mentioned that avian flu has not calmed down at this point in the year as you may have expected it to. What's your level of concern, though, about how much this can kind of proliferate from here? Or are there other measures that the industry is looking at to try to mitigate at this point?
Yeah, well, we take a lot of biosecurity measures on our barns, on our farms. We're spread across 15 states, so we're not subject to any one migration path, which could affect a particular group of farms. We put enhanced biosecurity in place. Not a lot of people are coming on and off our farms, which is how the disease can spread. The more of that gets done, the more the outbreaks will be limited, but that does not preclude wind-based spread of the virus. The real challenge is that we really need to start thinking about some sort of a vaccine that you can vaccinate the hens, and that will prohibit the virus from finding a host where it can continue to mutate. And that's a way to get in front of it. But we don't have that vaccine developed, and there's a lot of parties that have to get behind that in order to make that happen.
Yeah, maybe an avian flu version of Operation Warp Speed. We'll see.
Exactly. Yep.
Tom, thank you.
All right. Thank you for your time.